What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and this right here is the new Genspark SecondBrain Notes. It's a physical AI device that is able to transform the way that productivity works with AI using Genspark, but also a physical product like this alongside their SecondBrain program. If you guys want to win a SecondBrain Notes for yourself, I'm going to be giving one away, so just make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and let me know down in the comment section below what your workflow is like and some of the tips that you have, as well as your Instagram username, and someone from my team will be contacting a winner in 2 weeks. And I want to give a huge thanks to Genspark for sponsoring this video. In a world like today, we spend more time generating and consuming information than ever before. Throughout workdays, you have meetings, conversations with your team, random ideas that you might have come up with on the fly, wherever you are. And I feel like a lot of times I'm juggling a whole bunch of different projects, even when I don't realize it. SecondBrain Notes is essentially a credit card thin AI notes taking device that can work alongside you to ensure that you stay present and operate at your best. And instead of focusing on catching up and recording everything after the conversation or during it, you can stay present, focus on the productive elements of it, and it will organize everything for you afterwards. I'm definitely one of those people that feels like everything could be done in an email. It's just a little bit more finite. You don't have to then process everything. But the whole point of a product like the SecondBrain Notes is to be able to record those conversations, optimize and organize them for you, turn them into actionable tasks, but also wherever you are, if you want to just start recording and jotting some ideas down, it is able to do that for you. I bring this day to day in my pocket, in my travel bag, and I also have it on my smartphone sometimes through the included case. And then I go back to my computer and use SecondBrain to see all of the different tasks and the organized thoughts at the end of the day, which is how I originally used Genspark. So when you take a look at the hardware itself, it is unbelievably thin. I really like this durable anodized aluminum structure. It really does just fit into any card holder or the back of your smartphone. It has a 4 MEMS mic array with bone sensor that separates speakers even in the noisy environments. So whether you're in a private meeting or a boardroom, you can also use this in a coffee shop or as you're walking along the street and want to get an idea down. It's got AI beamforming that captures clear audio from up to 5 meters away. And you've also got a 35-hour battery life for multi-day recording. And inside, you've got 64 gigabytes of built-in memory, which is enough for 290 days of audio. And as soon as you sync over what you've recorded into the app, it actually deletes locally, both for security reasons and to prolong the amount of recording available. When it comes to recording, it is very simple. There's one button right here. You hold 2 seconds to start recording, press once to bookmark a moment, which I find at key points of the conversation is very important. And I do this when I'm like filming as well, to have like little markers and reference points. And then to stop recording, you hold it for 2 seconds. What I really find impressive about the AI note recorder is how versatile it is. If you have a conversation where there are multiple people involved, they are able to actually distinguish that and separate it out and ensure that everything has been divided into context and dialogue. And I love how seamlessly integrated it is through this SecondBrain case right here that works with MagSafe, or it also comes with a magnet that allows you to attach it to any device. And so this is like a little cover. I've got my smartphone here, and then it attaches directly through the magnets. And it actually has some functionality as well. You have a small pocket right here. You also have some storage here as well for some cards. And then you can also use it as a stand. And so if I have like a meeting or a FaceTime call, then it is able to record just like that, and there's really no excuse not to bring this with you everywhere. The device itself comes in at $179, and it includes 300 minutes of AI transcriptions and summarizations per month. And for Plus and Pro members, you get up to 24 hours of AI transcription and summarization per day. It's very normal nowadays in a meeting to have it sitting on a table, and in scenarios where I'm talking with some of my design friends, coming up with ideas for products, or going through my interior design renovation for my new basement. This is able to just capture everything, log it down, but with AI and tools like Genspark SecondBrain, I can then reference certain details that may have been discussed before instead of having to go back and forth and asking questions that probably have been answered and are often forgotten. And so, for example, right now I'm on the Four Seasons yacht on a trip where we're doing a pretty large production over the span of a week. And in the beginning, we had a tour with the general manager, and there's certain scenarios where you probably shouldn't be recording. It would just be a bit strange, especially for meeting somebody for the first time. So I have my team like taking notes as they go. And so we have it all written down now. I have my own interpretation that I want to add to it as well based on how we're going to script this video. And we also have the facts that have been given. So just based on what I've picked up in the tour, I'd like to make some notes of the Four Seasons yacht. So what you're seeing here is just a typical use case with me recording some fairly unstructured notes. You can see the actual transcription that SecondBrain created and then the organized notes created automatically. Once the notes are created, you can also chat with the AI to ask any questions and extract even more information. If you want to go even further, you can use Genspark Super Agent to execute a task. And in this case, I was able to turn my notes into a full-blown production brief and shot list. So now let's go ahead and take a look at more of the software side of things, and Genspark SecondBrain in particular. As someone who's had experience with Genspark since last year, I've really liked the way that it brings together all of the best AI tools in one place and uses what each one is optimized in to deliver the ultimate experience. Everything from the hardware syncs into SecondBrain, so that's one data point and is a great asset as typical transcribing services just provide the words recorded with no specific formatting. But in addition to that, beyond connecting SecondBrain, I can connect email, calendar, Google Workspace, Notion, which is what I've traditionally used for my workplace CRM, and anything that you use to jot down information and communicate with any of your team members. It is just a one-click authorization to connect your data, and now instead of having separate apps, it brings it all into one space, which is what in essence Genspark is really known for. At the end of the day, I feel like I've talked a lot about how this has contributed to my workflow. I've been in the business for about 15 years now, and what I've really noticed is that I'm in a lot of ways a solo operator of a business. I'm not someone who knows how to run a large team because I don't really have that work experience. And whenever you're in a creative business, you really have to balance your business knowledge with your creative knowledge. And as someone who does focus a lot on business, the efficiency and the optimizations are very important. When I take a look at my day though, I spend half of the time trying to organize what we're working on. And then I spend a little bit more time in meetings that I feel like take away from filming time. But on top of that, the reason why the meetings often feel like a waste of time is because I rarely reference them because I'm working on active projects. And so in a business where you have a clear distinction between production and administrative, having a device like SecondBrain Notes has been a game changer in essentially being like a personal assistant that understands my context, but also continues to improve it as time goes on and uses all of the benefits of AI to organize those thoughts, connect with all of my existing platforms that I already use without having to make me commit to a new platform, and brings all of those ideas together that not only allows me to reference, but also build on it over time. But as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'm going to leave a link on screen and in the description box below where you can get 10% off for the limited first release. Let me know if you want to see more of AI tools like this, and I'll see you all in the next one.